Introduction about the computer programming, computers and programming, hardware technology, main memory, auxiliary memory, driver, writing the algorithm used to pseudocode, programming language code, the compilation process of for non-Java programs, object code portability, Java virtual machines, compiler processor for Java program, history of Java. So hardware technology. So have one CPU have CPU and main memory is interact with the input devices and output devices. So keyboard, mouse, scanners, input devices, monitor and printer output device, hard disk, a CD drive and storage devices also included. In I/O, input and output devices. Input device example keyboard, mouse, scanner. Output example monitor, CPU, the computer brain. So I have the some set of process, accept the user request and process it and display the output using monitor, right? Next, CPU. It's a synonymous central processing unit, processor, microprocessor. Popular Intel Core i3, AMD Phenom 2 and AMD Atheron 64. Main memory. When a computer performs the calculation, if after the need to save the intermediate result, save those intermediate result in the main memory storage area. Main memory is often called RAM, random access memory. Why RAM used? To increase the speed of the processor, right? So RAM included cache memory also. Memory contains the storage box and each storage box contains the piece of informations. Main memory. Each of the 6 storage box useful to store EMU is a bytes. Enumeration is a bytes. Computer does not understand the alphabet. They only understand zeros and ones. So computer map each alphabet character to a series of 16 zeros and ones. For example, letter E is 00000000 0100 0101. This is the equivalent value. So in storing the letter E, the main memory actually stored 00000001000101. The capacity of the memory is described the term of number of bytes occupied the space. So RAM capacity is typically the computer range from 1 GB to 8 GB. RAM is volatile data. Is lost when the power is turned off. When the lost is power is turned off is a very important thing. Driver. Why using the driver? If you want to enable the particular softwares, you activate using some activation. That's why using the driver files. A driver is a mechanism that enables the computer system to access the data on the storage device. A disk drive is a drive for a hard disk or CD-ROM or diskette. When using your computer, you will sometimes need to copy the data from one places to another. To specify the storage media on which the data resides, you will need to use the storage media drive letter followed by a colon. Diskette drive are referred to as A colon. Hard disk drive are usually referred to as C and D. CD-ROM drives are usually referred to as D and E. USB flash drive are usually referred to as E and F. So common hardware vocabulary. So disk space usually means the capacity size of your hard disk. Memory usually means main memory is a RAM. Computer is a by itself usually refer to the big box that contains the CPU, the main memory and the hard disk. Writing the algorithm using pseudocode. The program is a set of instructions that can be used to solve a problem. The first step in writing a program, writing a draft of your program where you focus on the basic logic. Whatever it is you are a specific requirement, you gathering the some problems, and after that keeping in mind what are the concepts are used, what are the looping statement, what are the conditional codes are executed, what are the functions executed, what are the operators are used. Literally you decide and write the some pseudocode or programmings. So programming language is a language that uses specially defined the words, grammar and punctuation that a computer understand. Some of the more popular programming languages is the Visual Basic, C++ and Java. Initially programming language code might be the harder for you to understand the pseudocode. But after you gain the experience with a programming language, you may become so comfortable with it is that you are able to skip the algorithm pseudocode step and start the coding with the programming language directly. However, for larger program, I recommended that you do not skip the algorithm pseudocode step. Why? The compilation process for non-Java program. After writing a program, you will normally want to have a computer perform the task specified by the program. Getting that to work is normally two steps process. One is a perform a compiled command, second one is a perform a run command. When you are perform a compile command, you tell us the computer to translate the programming language instruction to the binary format. When you perform the run command, you tell the computer to read the binary format instruction and perform the task specified by them. The computer contains a special program called compiler that's in charge of the compilation process. If you submit the programming language instructions to the compiler translates them into the binary format instruction. It's a compilation process for non-Java program. The source code programming language instruction is converted to the object code. It's a binary code instruction. What's the process? Programs write this and a compiler compile the source code to object code, and next computer run this. So object code is a set of binary format instruction that can be directly run by the computer to solve the program. Binary format instruction is made of the zeros and ones because the computer understands only zeros and one. Here's an example of the object code instruction. This a particular object code instruction is referred to as an 16-bit instruction because each of the zeros and ones is a bit. There is a 16 of them. Each object code instruction is in charge of only a simple computer task. Object code instruction could possibly be in charge of copying the single number from some places in main memory to some places in CPU. Programmers sometimes refer to the object code machine code. Object code is called the machine code because it is written in binary and that what a computer machine understand. Portability. What is a portability? If you are design one GUI or tools or components, everything, you are easy to adapt any other environment. That is a best portability. The piece of software is portability if it can used to many different types of computers. Object code is not very portable. As you know, object code is a compromise of binary format instruction. Those binary format instruction are intimately tied to a particular type of computer. If you have got object code that was the created one type of X computer, then the object code can run only only on the type of X computer. Java solution to improve the portability. Java compiler do not compile all the way down to the object code. Instead, the compiler compile down into bytecode, which possesses the best feature both the object code and source code. Link the object code bytecode uses the format that works closely with the computer hardware like the source code bytecode generic, so it can be run on any type of computers. The Java virtual machines. How can bytecode be run on the type of computer? Java program bytecode run the bytecode is translated into the object code by the computer. Bytecode interpreter programmer. The bytecode interpreter programmer is known as the Java virtual machine. JVM for short. The next slide shows JVM translated to bytecode to object code. It is also shown how to Java compiler translate the source code to bytecode. Java source code converted to the bytecode is converted to the object code. So Java compiler compile the source code bytecode. When a Java program is run, the Java virtual machine translate the bytecode to object code. History of Java. In the early 1990s, putting the intelligence to home appliances was thought to be the next hot technology. Example: intelligent home appliances, coffee forced the light that can be controlled by a computer program, television that can be controlled by the interactive television device program. Anticipating the strong market for such things, Sun Microsystem in 1991 funded the research project codenamed Green, and goal was to develop the software for intelligent home appliances. And intelligent home appliances, intelligent comes from its embedded processor chip and the software that run on the processor chip. So appliance processor chips change often because the engineers continually find way to make the processor chip smaller, less than expensive and more powerful. To handle the frequently turnover new cheap appliances, software must be extremely portable. So originally Sun planned to use C++ for its home appliances software, but they soon realized C++ was less than ideal because it was not portable enough, that it relied too heavily on the hard to maintain thing called the pointer. Thus, rather than the write C++ software and fight C++ inherent deficiency, Sun decided to develop a whole new programming language to handle its home appliance software needed. Their new language was originally named OAK, for the tree that was the outside of the project leader James Gosling window, but it was the zone changes to Java. When the home appliances software work dried up, Java almost died before the being released. So fortunately for Java, the World Wide Web exploded the popularity, and Sun realized it could capitalize on that. The web pages have to be very portable because they have downloaded onto any type of computer. What's the standard language used for web pages? The Java program are very portable and they are better than HTML in the term of providing user interaction capability. Java programs that are embedded in the web page are called the applet. Although the applet still plays a significant role in the Java currently success, some of the other type of the Java program have suppressed the applet in the term of popularity. In this course, we covered standard edition Java application. They are the Java program run on the standard computer, a desktop laptop with the need of on the internet. That's all. We will meet next class. See you. Bye bye.